How to fixly check your network connection error on Temu. Let's get started. First, you'll need to clear app cache and data. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option General, head over to the option iPhone Storage. Now from this list of apps, find Temu. Once you find it, launch it. Then click on Upload app, click on Upload app, click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache for this app. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, head back to the main page of settings. Click on the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next thing you want to do is disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, temporarily disable it. Temu sometimes blocks connections from these services. Next thing you want to do is check for the app updates, likewise software update. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Temu. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app. Likewise, launch your settings, navigate to the option General, head over to the option Software Update. If any iOS updates are available, just update it. Then you can head back. Now click on the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset, click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your Temu app should work. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.